guys, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a video that you guys are all been waiting for. I have you all asking me who's the winner of the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe The Vault collection, and I have to say I have the winner right now. There's always something that happens in my life, you guys, and the reason why I'm kind of like off and on is because I kind of have a lot of things to deal with in my personal life that I'm kind of putting YouTube on the side and then going back to it and then putting it back on the side, is because there's a lot of things in my life that I need to deal with, and then me focusing on YouTube. So that's why I'm not always often on it, because I always have something, and it's literally not an excuse, it's literally true. It is the first time this week that I sit down and relax and do something I love, because I kind of put myself on the side a lot. But I don't want to blab about that, because I know you guys want the winner of this baby right here. Now yours, I already packed it and it's ready to go. So it's all in here, it's in bubble wrap, and it's literally like ready to go. I'll be contacting the winner as soon as possible to have your product or your gift shipped to you as soon as possible. So the winner of this giveaway, the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, it's _girl. You are the winner for this giveaway, and I am so excited for you to try it. I cannot wait. Sorry I did not get the chance to write it down on a little paper. I am literally busy today. I need to go. I have something to do as well, even though me sitting down relaxing is not really a thing for me, but I still got to go. But I'll contact you as soon as possible to have your product shipped to you as soon as possible. I really hope you guys enjoy it, but it does not end there, you guys. I do have another giveaway for you guys, and this is going to be running till the end of, maybe at the beginning, the first week till November, I'm not sure, but make sure that you check out below to know the exact date of the end of this giveaway. So I am giving away the Naked Cherry palette from Urban Decay. This is brand new, this is for you. I just used mine, this one, and it's what I have on my eyes, and I absolutely love it. So I cannot wait to give this away to somebody, and I'm positive you guys are gonna love it as much as I do. I make sure that I give you guys the best and always the best. So I have this for a winner out there. This is the Cherry Naked palette, and if you guys want to know how it looks like, it is like that, and it is such a pretty palette. And here is the rules. You need to be a subscriber to my channel, because I will be checking. You also need to follow my Instagram, because I will check it. You also need to follow me on Twitter, I will be checking. And if bonus entry, it is to like my Facebook fan page. It's gonna be, everything's gonna be indicated in the info box down below. And also please let me know down below your usernames to every of those social medias, and let me know that if you don't have a specific one, so I would know in advance that you guys don't have, let's say, Twitter, or you don't have Facebook. Let me know in the comments down below, and it is okay. And if you guys ever entered my previous giveaways, do not just write in the comments I already subscribed to you to everything and follow you on everything, and do not like, and you guys don't indicate your usernames, because I don't know, I don't keep track who's who. So please rewrite it down below in the comments down below. It will be much easier for me to choose you guys that way, and I will appreciate it a lot if you do so. So it's okay if you guys repeat yourself, just because if you want to win, I need to choose the right person, you know. So thank you guys all so much for watching. Good luck to everyone for this giveaway. I know it's not as big as this one right here, but eventually this will come back as a giveaway, you guys. I promise. I am planning to do on something really huge for my 14K giveaway, so this will make another appear on my channel. Yay! Thank you guys all so much for watching. If you guys want to see this tutorial, make sure you stay till the end, because it's gonna be somewhere around here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Good luck to everyone. Bye!